Good day. Welcome back to HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com. I'm your host, Dr. Martin Potter. Welcome you again for another episode here. Today we're going to try to stretch out and attack the topic of dental phobia or fear of the dentist. Probably many of you are cringing just hearing that. It feels like nails on the chalkboard. As the thought of your next dental visit just brings up all those feelings that you've been battling for years and years. Yeah, there's lots of you guys out there that hate going to the dentist or can't sleep the night before your appointment and all of that stuff. So let's dig into this and see what we can get out of dental phobia. Okay, so let's get into this one here. Why some people are afraid of the dentist. This is a juicy topic that we could spend a lot of time talking about. So here's a Canadian article. Very few people enjoy going to the dentist, but for some, the sound of a dental drill is enough to send shivers down their spine. Yeah, exactly, shivers. Anywhere from 48 to 60% of the population experiences a form of dental anxiety. That's quite an outstanding number. We're talking over half of people have some sort of fear, anxiety, or even paranoia or extreme fear, as it says here, according to studies. While incredibly common, there are different types of dental dread that range in severity. Dental fear is most often a specific fear, like a fear of drills or needles, explains Lisa Heaton, an assistant professor of oral health sciences at the University of Washington. Somebody might sit down in a dental chair and feel pretty okay, but when they see the needle on the tray in front of them, they become very fearful and their heart starts to race. There's no question that we have a documented physiological response to dental fear where we actually see blood pressure increase, we see tachycardia, heart rate increase. This is all documented. This isn't just a psychological situation. People are having bona fide responses to their fear. Why people are afraid of the dentist? So this is a very difficult topic to address because it's so deep-seated, and it's based on a lot of events that people don't even have a real conscious understanding of. Most people are afraid of pain. That's really actually kind of the simple part. The dentist can represent unpleasant experiences in a vulnerable part of our body, our mouth. Heaton says that people feel anxious about the idea of drilling or needles and anything that could cause them discomfort. Sitting in a chair and having someone work on their teeth can also feel like a loss of control. Really, a lot of people just have problems with just this right here, sitting in the dental chair. So many folks out there, and probably some of you even watching this video right now, just that thought of getting in a dental chair just unhinges you. You just feel like you're going to lose it, even the thought of doing that. A lot of patients are concerned about giving up that control and not being able to stop the procedure when they want to, right? A lot of personal control would really help. There are also factors that go beyond discomfort. According to a 2014 study out of the UK, common reasons why people have dental fear include their own traumatic experiences. Definitely, this is an issue. People harboring back to times when the anesthetic didn't work, or maybe they had a heavy-handed dentist, or maybe they were held down by somebody or restrained. There's a lot of scenarios that play out here, but it's hard to shake those things. For those of us who don't have this dental phobia, it's easy for us to just slough it off and tell people to grow up or suck it up or whatever you want to say. But these experiences are very difficult for people to get past. And people who are intelligent, well-educated, can have trouble with this. This isn't an issue of education or intelligence. This goes way beyond that into our emotional psyche. It's really a deep-seated problem. Okay, how to overcome dental fear. Here's the big question. How do we do this? It's easy to sit around and talk about it, but how do we actually overcome this? Research shows that fearing the dentist often begins hood in childhood. Definitely see that. Heaton says around 75 to 80% of the people with a fear of the dentist say they felt that way most of their lives. Really a difficult problem to overcome. I think an incremental approach is really the way to go, to start making strides little by little in your dental journey. To just make milestones of success. Don't try to conquer Rome in one day. Get to the point of having an examination, then get to the point of maybe having some radiographs or some x-rays, and then get some hygiene work done, and just do it piecemeal. Don't wait until it's late and then try to do it all and attack the hardest stuff right off the bat and go in when you need an extraction and have a surgical procedure right off the bat. That, I believe, is a real mistake for a lot of you who are really battling this dental phobia. We feel here at HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com that we have a very unique position and a very unique proposition in terms of accessing the dentist, because we can offer dental advice and consultations through our Tooth Talk that takes away a lot of this phobia, because you can do it from the comfort of your own home. That's a huge advantage for so many people out there that can't bring themselves to even set foot into the office. Now, of course, you could say, well, that's wonderful, doc, but you're not actually getting the dentistry done. You're just talking about it. But that's a very important first step for many dental phobics, just to broach the topic and start discussing possible solutions so people can actually get to moving towards a solution. What do they say? A problem well defined is a problem half solved. So we really want to encourage those of you who are struggling with these sorts of dental phobias or extreme anxiety to come visit us at HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com, see what we can offer you, and get your own tooth talk. I think it'll be a real good plus for you to start moving in that direction. So thanks so much for joining us here again at HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com. I'm your host, Dr. Martin Potter. Please give our video a like below. Feel free to subscribe. We're always looking to try to increase our subscribers here so we can keep bringing you great content. Please visit us over at HelpMeWithMyTeeth.com and try to get your own personal tooth talk going, where we can address your personal needs in the safety and comfort of your own home. Thanks for joining us. Catch you next time. I'm Dr. Martin Potter signing off. Have a good one.